Hello and welcome, guys. Let's make something different today. I'm thinking about making some fun app with Laravel from the last few days and show it to you guys how it works and how we'll make it. But I've been busy in some other projects with Laravel and Feathers.js and all, so I couldn't make one app to show you the demos. So I have decided to make it one, and I am trying to make a community kind of app, like where user can comment. Okay, let's make a to-do list. What to do and what we are going to do and what should be in the app. Okay, so Laravel new app. Sorry, actually this is for the pizza and Coke I had just few minutes ago, and let's make it one. We'll have auth. Okay, and then we will have user no sorry user uh, user questions. That's all. User questions, and in user questions user can ask question. User can ask question, and user can edit. User cannot edit question after ask. User cannot edit question after asked, because you cannot edit the question after the community started replying you. So user cannot edit the question. Every question has answers. Every question has answers. Like or dislike the answer. Like or dislike the answer. Upvote or downvote the answer. Sorry, upvote or downvote the answer. Yeah, that pretty much, I guess. For what else we can do? Yeah, we'll think of something else, because this series is gonna actually long, because it is a big project for the YouTube, and I am trying for the first time, because I am not that much of a good programmer, but I've tried my best to do something different in real world applications and in my course. So let's see. User can question. User can ask questions. How can I miss it? User can ask questions. User cannot edit question after asked. Every user has answers. Like and dislike the answer. Upvote and downvote the answer. Let's add user can create some articles, and user can follow other users. Yeah, but before that, articles also need some comments and likes. Okay, so articles should have comments, likes, dislikes, and owner of the article and anyone who is logged in can reply to that article. So reply to the comments in article, and like and dislike the comment in article. And like and dislike the comments in article. What else? We'll see when we'll see. So let's start with installing the Laravel and creating a new app. Before that, let me open my XAMPP, just because I need the PHP my admin thing. Yeah, my system is a bit slow, so I'm using an old model laptop which I've been using for coding since last few years, and it's really helpful for me. This laptop is really being a partner to me since I have been working in this advanced codes and all, mainly in field of machine learning and these things. Yeah, so basically we are going to make this project with Laravel, Vue.js, Bootstrap, axios, and for real-time application we will use socket.io, Redis, and socket.io, Redis, and what is that? Yeah, that was a Node. Yeah, Node. We will use a Node also. So pretty much that's all for to start work. And here I am creating a new new folder, naming it. What do you call it? What should you call it? What should you call it? What should you call it? Mentor. Let's call it expressor, mentor, expressor, I guess. Okay, expressors which help us to express our feeling. Okay, expressor. Yeah, pretty much after completing I will try to upload it, so you guys will know how it gets uploads, how the Laravel apps get uploads to VPS and shared hosting and all. So I will try to upload it. Okay, so here I am using commander because before I love being using bash, git bash, but since I've been using commander, I like it very much because it's both it has access to both Windows commands and bash commands, cmd commands, sorry, cmd commands and bash commands, sorry. So I am pretty quickly I'm going to my users account, then desktop, sorry, then desktop, this was, and expressor, sorry, then oh sorry, I made a mistake. This was desktop and expressor. Yeah, so we are in. So let's create a Laravel app. Laravel new. Yeah, we can define a name in this command, but I am using the entire work inside that expressor app. So just Laravel new is fine, I guess. Laravel new will work. So it's working, crafting applications, and I will use Visual Studio Code for this work because I'm pretty much comfortable with Visual Studio Code, and not like it's not like I don't like Atom or Sublime Text or something like that, but I have been using Visual Studio Code since 2014, and it's pretty much nice to me. Do you know one thing about Visual Studio Code? Because it is just an you can say web application type because it is made with Electron.js. Yeah, I have been working in Electron.js since the last few months, and I have made a few desktop applications with that, and it's pretty easy and convenient to us because you don't need to learn any native programming language like Python or C++ or Java or Rust, something like that, and you just need to work on with those web technologies and web languages, you know, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Materialize and all. Few months back, I have created a video in Materialize CSS, and how to integrate Materialize CSS with Laravel, and I later figure out that it is not working pretty well with Vue.js. So I've been thinking to remake a video on how Materialize and Vue.js work compatibly with Laravel. So I will make a video very soon because I have figured it out how it works. So let's see how far we can go with this series, because yesterday I have uploaded an introductory video to genetic algorithm, and I'm trying to continue that genetic algorithm series with that Shakespeare and monkey problem, and please don't forget to watch that. That's a very interesting video. And in this video I'm trying to make a series, and few months back due to busy schedules I left few of my videos in just in middle, so I'm pretty much disappointed with myself actually, because I don't know why I left them in middle, and I I am pretty much sure to complete them in future because what you can say, I am just I got busy in work. Actually, I got too busy in work, and being a programmer, you know how the life is just in course. So that's a pretty that's much pretty all to work with us. Why it is taking so time? Yeah. I guess. Yeah. What more you need? Oh, in the meantime, let's create a database for it. Okay, Expressor. So let's create a database. Yeah, I could have gone to Chrome and localhost. Oh, who's gonna type that much? I'm just a mere lazy person. So just let's click on the admin and let's go to the PHP my admin localhost PHP my admin. Yeah, you can see I've done it with a lots of projects in the database, and mainly I've been working with MongoDB and PostgreSQL also. Those are like that gives you freedom to do one thing, but for secure stability, as not for security but stability. In the case of stability, I will prefer SQL, and for fastest data and all other mm, things, I will prefer NoSQL above that. So let's create a database expressor. Yeah, creating database, and let's get that what do you say app provider page from my GitHub repo. So so that I won't have to write all the code, all the stuff from that. So let's see. Yeah, I made that one few months back, 10 months ago. Okay, and I'm literally was a mess that time because I was pretty new to what is real time programming. I hadn't done much with real time programming that time, but now I'm familiar with real time, and because I'm working with feeders.js, which is a socket IO layer, and for APIs with Express framework. That's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, right. So we'll copy it. Okay. Yeah, man, that's still loading. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. Man, partner, you are failing me. So for today, we will be over with Auth, I guess. Yeah, we'll over with Auth, I guess, because Auth is pretty simple. I'm just setting up the profile and all. So I'll be over with Auth in Laravel installation, and just creating a user, I guess. Yeah, user will be created when I will be ready. I will be done with Auth automatically. So I'm not using right now JWT right now because I will go for it later. But now I'm using the simple session auth and cookies also, which is by default built in with Laravel. Yeah, now it's almost done, almost done. Yeah, actually, some of my friends ask me like, why Laravel? Do you prefer Laravel? Because Laravel is kind of it gives you freedom to do anything you want. Man, it supports Node. What more you want? Yeah, few weeks back, I've been creating an POS applications, and I had few problems with what can I say? I have few problems with printing the bill to the restaurant bill to the POS printer, and I have taken help of Node and Python to get that done. And yeah, if I get time, I will show you how it works. Like you can pass the array from the data array. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Yeah, am I getting some errors? let's check it, because I have never got this kind of messages from installing and creating a new app in Laravel. What are these? Suggest installing Symfony PSR HTTP message which required for PSR 7 which features 1.1. Laravel suggests installing with Wildbit Swift Mailer. I'm not seeing any errors here. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. PHP artisan serve, and we'll go for it. Yeah. So it's working. So let's generate the auth here. PHP artisan. Oh, sorry. I forgot to mention something. I need to open it with code to create the migrations and all. Yeah. No, not to create the migration. Actually, to configure the database with this app and to, I'll say, to make it fun. Let's see. So let's go to this one. I have copied from my GitHub repo and paste it. Save, and let's go to env where expressor, right? Expressor, and the name is root. No. Root, and I don't have any password. So it's done, I guess. Yeah. PHP artisan make auth. PHP absolute PHP 9.3. Have I done something wrong? Not, I guess. Copy. Still I'm getting the error. Why? Okay, so I'm getting this error. Let's do a thing. Service provider, let's copy the schema here, and schema and character length, sorry, string length. That's all, I guess. Yeah, now it shouldn't be any error. Yeah, we are good to go. So now we have to migrate the database. PHP artisan migrate. Yeah, why I added that? Because of the character length. You'll get some errors in migration if you won't do that. Yeah, I will describe that again in another video. So let's start the server again. PHP artisan server, and we are good to go. Yeah, here is the auth. Let's create a user, like this was John Doe, I guess. John Doe @gmail.com. Not Gmail. Let's just say app.com. Password is password. Register. Yeah, we are logged in Yahoo. So we can say here is logout button, and you will log in again with not this was it's John Doe password. Yeah, we are logged in, it works. Okay, so guys, in the next video we will work further in this in this context, and sayonara till then. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.